Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add custom photo widgets on iOS 14. So it works for iPhone and also for iPad devices because the process probably will be the same. So the first step what you need to do here is to go on the App Store, and then you need to download this widget that basically called photo widget. Simple. You need to download this one, and after you do that you need to open it. And as you can see here, if I go on the main page, the next step what you need to do here is to add photos. So as you can see here, you can add up to 30 photos, and then also if you click on a top right corner, you can basically modify photo refresh interval. So basically if you add several photos and you want to that they will constantly change, you can basically set up the interval, for example 5 or 10 minutes. And once you do that, of course you can also select the never if you don't want to change, and then you need to go back on home screen and find a blank space where there is no apps, and you need to press and hold it. And as you can see here on a top right corner, little plus icon pops up. You need to press on that, and then you need to scroll down until you see photo widget, this one. You need to also press on that, and then you need to press add widget. And as you can see here, basically this is the photo widget with my photo, as you can see here, and I can modify whatever place I want to the photo widget set it up. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.